Hope you are doing well. Hope you are doing good. As you can see, we're making bread today, homemade bread. Oh my God. As you can see, still hot. The hotness is still there. So guys, I'll be showing you how I made this white bread at home. Sit back. I'll be showing you the ingredients I will be using. I'm making use of 1 cup of milk lukewarm. Make sure the milk is warm. I'm making use of 1 tablespoon of sugar. Then I'll be using half teaspoon of salt. And then I'll be making use of 1 teaspoon of yeast, active yeast. Then I'm making use of vegetable oil, 5 tablespoons. You can use anything. You can use margarine, you can use butter, but I'm making use of my oil. Then I'll be using 1.5 cup of all-purpose flour. As you can see, I'm sieving the flour now. So after sieving your flour, you add the sugar, the salt, the yeast, and mix together. After that, you add your milk and start making your dough. Guys, I'm about to form my dough. I'll be using my hand. Make sure you wash your hand very well. Make sure your hands are clean before doing it. So I'll be using my hand and my board to do it very well. I will do it for about 10 to 12 minutes to make sure it's very smooth. You will see the way I will do it, and as I'm doing it, I will be adding my oil, my 5 tablespoons of oil. So you watch and see the way I will do it. You have to form the dough very well. You have to make sure that the dough is smooth before the next step. So guys, as you can see, it's now smooth, very smooth, as you can see. So I will get my bowl. I will add little oil in the bowl, and then I'll place my dough inside and cover it for 1 hour. After 1 hour, you see the outcome of the dough. So guys, I will leave it for 1 hour, 1 good hour. You can leave it and start doing other things. So guys, now it's up to 1 hour. So let's see the outcome. I will open it and we'll see the outcome. Yeah, that's the outcome. So I'll have to bring it out. And make it more smooth again. I will touch it again to make sure that it's smooth, to make sure that it's very smooth. Then my baking pan will come in. I'll be doing a round bread, so I'll be placing it inside my baking pan. And before I do that, I'll make sure, please grease your baking pan with oil as usual, the way we always do it here. Make sure you grease your pan, and then you place your dough your dough inside, and please apply oil on top of your dough. After that, you cover for 30 minutes before baking. This is up to 30 minutes, so I'll open it. That's the outcome. So we'll start baking. Hope you know I don't normally bake with oven as usual. I'll be making use of my pot. Yeah, you can bake your bread with your pot. It's homemade. You can try it. Make sure you try it. As usual, I'll be using my pot. Then you cover the lid of your pot with a thick material so that the heat will not escape. As you can see, our bread is ready. Yeah, you bake for 35 to 40 minutes on a low heat. That's how I bake this bread. As you can see, I'm checking it and it's okay. So I'm applying oil again. You can make use of melted butter on top of your bread so that it will be very smooth for you, very soft for you to cut. So that is my bread. That's my homemade bread. Yeah, try it. Do it for your children. It's very lovely, though it's not that sweet because I didn't make use of too much sugar. So guys, that is my bread. Thank you for watching. See you in my next video. Bye. Our bread is very hot and soft. Come and join us.